Introducing the SyncUP Kids Watch from T-Mobile. Keep your kids close, even when you aren't. What can the watch do? How about two-way calling and messaging with pre-approved contacts? Get real-time location tracking, so you know if they're on their way home or at the park after school. It's easy. Find your kid's profile, click the track button. Now you can see where they are at any time. And set up virtual boundaries so you're alerted once your child leaves a designated area. There's even a help button so they can alert their preset emergency contact or even call 911. Your kids will love it too. They can snap selfies, share moments. Plus, there are fun games and interactive characters. The kids will also like the cool black silicone and easy-to-use blue nylon watch bands that are included, and a pre-installed screen protector for durability. Now, parents and kids can stay connected on our biggest and best network ever. SyncUP Kids Watch from T-Mobile. Simplify your life with T-Mobile's connected products.